Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Citroen E C4. This is a new casting by Matchbox for 2024 and looks like a decent casting, looks like a good casting I would say with the years and all that. So let's open it up and see how does it look. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Leave comments, leave suggestions if you like my videos or what you want to see. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is, the Citroen E C4. As the name suggests, it's an electric car. I hope I'm not wrong. It says E C4, that's why I thought. But let's continue with the review. So the paint is very different. I haven't seen this one before on any Matchbox if I'm not wrong. Apart from that, you've got those traditional 5-spoke wheels which you see on a lot of Matchbox and Hot Wheels. Something I don't like is this whole clear glass thing on the top, but for two reasons it kind of looks not like, when you compare to the body, it kind of mismatches here on the top especially, and then it ends up getting scratched so much even in the package. So but apart from that, let's continue and see what else is there. So on the side you can see there's a big cladding here, so it's kind of coupe SUV kind of design. So if it's an electric car, it should be the charging port. If it's not, it's going to be a fuel filler, not sure. Coming to the front, again good details here, especially for a mainline. You've got very good details. You've got detailed grille, you've got detailed headlamp, even the lower grille is nicely detailed, and maybe you can see the fog lamps there. They're not detailed, but they are present there. Mirrors on both the sides, windshield wipers. Again, coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only difference being the fuel or charging door missing here. Also from the side you can see that it has got a small spoiler on the trunk. Looks good, and as I was saying, it gets scratched up so easily. As you can look, see how many scratches are there. But yeah, you can say the interior in this, it's done in black. Some decent details on that one. Let's move to the back. I might be wrong. They're exhaust tips, so it might be an actual car with a gas engine, not an electric one. But good details on the back too. You've got the Citroen badge, number plate with Citroen written on it, detailed tail lights. Again, good details. Even the bumper, it's like this has a plastic cladding, looks good. So overall, I would say it's a good casting. Only thing I would have loved, even if it was plastic tinted heavily, more blacked out, would have looked much better. But again, yeah, for a mainline, it's decent casting. It's a good casting. Yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know what do you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good